Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Raul Jacob. He is CFO at Southern Copper Corporation. Raul, it is a pleasure to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Very happy to be with you, and hello to all your audience.
Thank you. So now, Raul, let's start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Southern Copper.
Southern Copper, it's one of the most important copper producers of the world. We are producing about almost 1 million tons of copper per year. And we have plans to increase this production up from where we are now, up to 1.6 million tons in the next 10 years. That's our goal. We're focusing on that. We have also the highest reserve base for copper of the world, and particularly of all the mining listed companies. That's something that makes us very proud. And the company has operations in Mexico, where we produce about 60% of the copper of the company, and 40% comes from our other operations in Peru. On top of the copper production, we have a complex of zinc-silver mines in Mexico that produce zinc and silver, and those are with molybdenum, our three main byproducts.
So you have a pipeline of projects to grow your production in the coming years. Tell me, what are your short and long-term goals regarding copper and other metals production?
Well, for this year, we will be closing at about 932,000 tons of copper. We expect to improve it a little bit for next year. We are producing about 10,000 tons of molybdenum, which is a very important byproduct for us, as well as silver, gold, sulfuric acid, and some other minor products. That's our goal.
Raul, there's been significant cost inflation, not only for Southern Copper, but also for the entire mining segment. What are the main factors which drove this, in your opinion?
It began with inflation has been a concern, but it was significantly increasing our cost due to the war in Europe. For now, we have been able to control the cost push that we had. Our cash cost nowadays is about 95 cents per pound of copper. This is a pound of copper is sold at 360 some. So we're very low cost as a company, and we are controlling the main drivers of the cost increase that were in energy and in some materials that are for the mining operations. And we have been successful. I mean, there's inflation, we are adjusting to it, but we're seeing it decreasing and in some cases coming to better prices for us.
Okay, and finally, Raul, tell me, what do you expect in terms of copper market balance in 2024?
For 2024, the market will be in balance or with a slight surplus. But the very important thing is that the green energy revolution is requiring significant amounts of copper that is getting as a new asset category in consumption of copper. So we believe that this is going to be a very promising for copper in the future, as demand will increase significantly to support the green energy revolution.
All right, well, okay. Raul, wonderful to have you on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you very much.